कस्टमर का दिमाग गन्ने के खेत के जैसा होता है, जिसमें हजारों गन्ने होते हैं और एक एक गन्ना एक एक प्रोडक्ट होता है। दिमाग पूरा प्रोडक्ट से भरा हुआ है। लेकिन ब्रांड ब्रांड क्या है?
क्या है?
ब्रांड एक सांड है।
सांड?
सांड है। और ये सांड गन्ने के खेत में घुसता है और बाकी गन्नों को चीरता हुआ निकल जाता है और अपनी जगह खुद बनाता है।
A brand represents the identity, values, and reputation of a company or organization. It encompasses the emotional and psychological associations people have with a business, built through consistent messaging, design, customer experience, and trust over time. A brand creates a lasting impression that differentiates a company from its competitors, often evoking loyalty and recognition. For example, when people think of Nike, they associate it with athleticism, innovation, and the just do it attitude, making it more than just a logo or name. It's a promise of quality and experience. In contrast, a product is a specific item or service offered by a brand to fulfill a particular need or solve a problem. Products are tangible or intangible, focusing on features, performance, and utility. Unlike a brand, which is built over time, a product's success is determined by its immediate ability to meet customer expectations. For instance, the iPhone is a product that satisfies the need for communication and technology, while Apple, the brand behind it, conveys innovation, reliability, and premium design. While products may have a limited life cycle, a strong brand can sustain customer interest and ensure long-term success.